Yo, Street U TV, yo, the Youth Them TV, Jonah Reid representing, yeah, in Darcy, Flask and Passy. Modern vampires of the city, hunting blood, blood, blood.
Wireless, put your hands up in the air like this. On the beat of the way to one nation. I am an African, fire of a Babylon, trial and tribulation, nation overcome. I'm so glad, kind and protest, holy man you know. This life of mine, we came with the shadow. So they can never inside your eyes, I see a miracle man. Girl, I've been waiting to give you all my time, give you love,
Hey yo, can we do that, Mike? Can we run that back over here?
run it back, run it back.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Richard, come on! I need y'all to make some noise for YG!
Trial and tribulation, nation overcome. I'm so glad, kind and protest, holy man you said. This light of mine, we came with a shadow. Never so they can never protect my soul. I will be there forever. Mama, honestly, we already did this. They want to hear you say something.
They wanna hear me say? What we got? What you got? You got nothing? What's
They
your
just want to
name?
hear you.
Wanna hear me sing? Hold on.
Just
What's your, my brother? Keys. What you wanna do? You wanna do this? Strumming my pain. Saving my life with his words. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with his song.
I don't get time. Just to be someone. In our body, night for shows and jumping, flow like the ocean, more time, body. Shout out, you know, that's why I grew up. Frozen shades, when they got the money, they concentrate. We got them straight to my mouth, like pain. It's in the function, they like that I've only got 4 minutes left. So what do you do? I want to listen one time. I said they not the way to stand at the loop. Stand at the loop like you smoke and I cook. Just the bounce with the groove. Look how you do. If you lose gap, then go bounce with your boo. I can fight for my crew. I'm telling you. Then do they do lifestyle and they cook. If you dance, then they look. Then go they look. Then go they look. I say face back. If I do until I do, don't know how to show you my love without love. But think about you and the way you made you last. God, so very proud. I don't want nobody to Your How you feeling? Man, this is my first time ever doing wireless. So what we're gonna do is take it out and show why that's something we've never seen before. For those of you that don't know, they call me Burna Boy, aka the African Giant, aka Big Several. Everybody put your fucking hands up. Andy! I'm gonna talk to the ladies real quick. Because you know they say it's ladies first. So man them, I'm gonna get to you in a second. You understand? Ladies, I wanna hear you scream! Ladies! Baby, don't wait for your seat, come give me that. Jump over my body right. That's what you feel like. I feel like you now, like give me now. I'm much feeling like a fucking million. Maybe just say what you like, just give me now. Why you gonna think like that? Make sure you do it wrong, and yes. You're the ball and it's beautiful. And the world and the guys on the floor. I step up, I do it. I just want something easy. Baby, Johnny, don't waste time. Rolling down, don't slow down. Just make up. Baby, don't wait for your seat, come give me that. Jump up on my body like that's make me feel like I will love you all night. Baby, don't wait. Jump up on my body like that's make me feel like I will love you all night. Just like what you want to see. I said we just stay. Oh please, wireless, because I'm here with them. Hold on. If you're ready, put your hands up in the air like this. I need you guys to help me out with this shit, because I couldn't get head over here. So I'm gonna need wireless to do it for me. If you're ready, let me say, burn up. I wanna be in your night until the night is gone. I wanna hold you so tight. It's been a hell of a ride, but there is no more. You're there by my side. Say! Whenever I'm alone, you make me feel warm. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Whenever you go away, well, that's when I'm on my own. Whenever you tell me, I'll be there, you know. Oh, that I want to be as you want. You see through the storm, and take me as I am. Take me as much as we're together. I think I just love you. Oh, you want my hand. Oh, you want my hand. My hand. Oh, you want my hand. Oh, you want my hand. Everybody put your hands up in the air and listen. So we shoot out film, figure Canada Jeep, make them have an experience, no one people are worn out. That girl I get fucked on a whole house. That bars full of tea and I'm sure about. Just in the trouble with an IMAX. And none of the politician when me have a vote out. 4 kilo, 4 street, 4 rounds. The team like Big Fan. All of the best boom boom, me like Kingston. So we so we move X on my phone, get big down. It's too rich now, so me buy 6 more. What's the plan? Cause I'm real to my skeleton. If you win it's all by intelligence, then I'm in the squad style like an electrician. The car touch it, bird on the game, freeze up like on the game, I get down when the twin fellas don't trouble in. Hands up! Because it is a gift from God and you're looking at it. Fire dance, fire dance. Dancing. Only like a circle. But I go back to the carefully. But somebody you wanna dress for me. Baby, she be bad to you. Baby, she be bad to you. Better than your bad to you. Check this you sound. I'm in the family. Fool in the family. I'm in the family. Baby, she be bad to you. Baby, she be bad to you. I don't touch my energy. I don't get that for no energy. I take my best in advance. I'm gonna take my best in advance. Forget me, I say fashion. I'm so nasty. Check out my body, I think I put it in the sun. Tell me, I'm in the side of the sun. I'm in the answer. People don't understand. All my original Burna Boy fans, put your hands up. All my day one Burna Boy fans, put your hands up. Don't lie, you know, because I'm going to test you. If you know you're not lying, put your hands up. You see my dark shades on, like I can see you, but you're losing it. You see my dark shades on, like I can see you, but you're losing it. I say hello, don't be surprised when I say hello. Yeah, I say hello, don't be surprised when I say hello. Hello, you should be like you know one thing. You should be that guilty. So you don't say I don't be human being. I say you know what? I said I'm here with the young and that I took. And it goes on. I said I'm here with the young and that I took. You just own it, cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it, it's the biggest fire. Girl, I love how you want it. I'll put my hand there, hold it, I'll be right by ya. Wireless, so I'ma be right by ya. I know you're in love. Call me up in my radio station. Call me up in my radio station. Call me like you heard of that and wind up. Call me up in contact girls and the game of lions. And I'm in my room with the Anytime you go down, she won't hold down, she made it all down. And I don't know what I'm gonna be. Then I don't want to lose you to nobody, no. Nobody knows. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I should see me so I go back to you. I swear to God you can go back to you. Wireless. Everybody they ask me where the us you are. Is it still looking at love you travel away? Don't make me live with put this glass in your face. Don't let me teach you don't be class in my way. Cause toxic acid children don't know where they are now. Toxic acid children don't know where they are now. I need how many times do I have to do that? Step to my place and then I feel once. Best thing is my back, last thing is my back. Hip hop my back, silence my back. To do my back, my business is not going to live with that. Toxic acid children don't know where they are now. City boys and mothers. We are not fucking city boys. Cause she knows that my people make a lot of. After hating the master, they like I'm not in my padazzo. That's right, my child. Stand on the dance and the cardio. Go in the lambo. I could show you the boss and the lambo. Cause I'm a city boy. I guess I did for this streets. I'm a city boy. Put that on some Jesus. Surprise for you. Because I couldn't come to Wireless without a surprise. Let's go.